final award of the evening is the OMA Distinguished Career Award of Excellence, which recognizes individuals who, over an extended period of time, have created a lasting and meaningful legacy in the Ontario Museum community. It is likely that many of you know or have been influenced by Ruth Freeman. During her more than 30-year career in museums and the heritage sector, she has been a volunteer, mentor, teacher, presenter, and author, as well as a valued colleague and respected interpretive planner and exhibit designer. Long before it became the norm to advocate for visitors to understand and accommodate their varied learning styles, Ruth was doing groundbreaking work to enable museum visitors to make their own discoveries. Her various publications allowed others to follow suit, including the OMA publication, The Evolution of an Exhibit, Community Museums and Traveling Exhibits, co-authored with partner Paul Martinovich. Ruth honed her understanding of learning in museums throughout her career, and anyone who has ever worked with her, as I had the pleasure to, would no doubt benefit from that understanding. Ruth's rigorous approach to everything she undertakes has spin-off effects. Not only has Ruth raised the bar in museum exhibit interpretation and promoted democracy for museum visitors, but she has happily shared her dedication and encouraged all of us to strive for museum exhibit excellence. Please help me to congratulate Ruth Freeman.
I've been truly privileged to work with many talented, dedicated people who provided advice and support when I needed it most. I thank them for their encouragement, professional collaboration, and ongoing friendship, and I'm really pleased to see a lot of them here tonight. Whatever contribution that I have made to the museum community would not have been possible without my two partners. First, my business partner, Paul Martinovich. His breadth of knowledge in a range of academic fields and his outstanding expertise in exhibit planning has ensured the success of our two-person firm, Blue Sky Design. Secondly, I thank my life partner, my husband, Michael, who made it possible for me to pursue a museum studies degree and to thrive in the various jobs that I held over the years. Most recently, his moral support and financial expertise allowed Paul and me to concentrate on the creative aspect of our business without needing to worry about other business matters. I'm also grateful to the people who nominated me for this award, all highly accomplished professionals in their own right. Bev Easton, Kathy Blackburn, Anne-Marie Hagan, and Dave Hollins. Finally, I thank the Ontario Museum Association for this valued award. Their support for the organizations and individuals that comprise Ontario's museum field ensures the continued vitality of Ontario's heritage. I feel very honored. Thank you.